Hello friends, many a times we start working on something and somehow we are not able to see the results, and we feel that after putting in a lot of efforts, what is that we are not getting the result, what we are lacking in our efforts, what we are lacking in our planning, in our execution, that we are not able to get the desired result, get the desired output that we are expecting. So it's not about the efforts that we have put in. It's about what extra effort we are trying to put in to achieve what we want to exactly get, or we want to be successful in doing that. So on the same lines, today I'm going to read one beautiful topic from the book The Winning Habits by Mr. Prakash Iyer. The topic is get into the 1 degree more habit, which eventually says that, or we have always heard about the thing that 99% of the people quit when they are 1% away from their targets. So on the same line, let us read this wonderful story written by Prakash Iyer sir. So it goes by, everybody knows that 99 degrees Celsius water is hot, very hot. And we also know that at 100 degrees centigrade water begins to boil and it becomes steam. And here's what's really important. And a steam is powerful enough to move a train load of people. Think about it. I'll read it one more time. And a steam is powerful enough to move a train load of people. Think about it. Just 1 degree more and a hot water becomes powerful enough to move a locomotive. While we may not always realize it, our lives are like that too. Our degree means a lot. That little extra effort can make a difference between being a winner and also an. The difference between achieving your goals and missing them. The difference between just being hot water and being able to move the train. Too often, we give up the goal might have been just one step away. We finish second when just 1 degree more effort could have meant a world of difference. Unfortunately, we don't have the benefit of thermometer that can tell us to keep us going on for just 1 more degree. Whatever it is you set out to do, whatever goals you seek to achieve, push yourself to just one little bit more. Just 1 degree more, and more often than not, that 1 degree more attitude will make a huge difference and huge successes in your life. And just like the difference between being hot water and moving train, the reward in life too are disproportionate. Often a fraction of second can mean a difference between an unforgettable Olympic gold winner and also an. You can also lose a 5-setter Wimbledon final by a whisker and find that you earn half the prize money and not the honor associated with being a Grand Slam champion. Life is tough. 1 degree makes a world of difference. The next time you feel you have done your bit or you feel like giving up, stretch yourself for just 1 degree more. The difference can be magical. Successful people do all that is expected from them, and then they do a little bit more. Make that extra effort and watch the magic begin. So dear friend, it's not about the efforts that we are putting in, it's always about the extra effort that we are putting in. So as writer himself, Mr. Prakash Iyer says that when you feel like giving up, just ask yourself a question. Am I in a position to put in just 1 degree more effort into it? And see next time what are the results, and do let me know in your comments, in your answers to me, that yes, 1 degree effort really pays off. So leaving you with a quote once again from the letter or from the topic itself, get into 1 more degree habit, the habit of winners. Do all that is expected and then do a little bit more. Thank you.